DNA is the blueprint of life. It's what makes you, you. It's what makes a fish a fish. It's what makes every species unique. Most people think of DNA in terms of diseases or genetic testing, but we can also learn a lot about the history of individuals and of species. We can learn things about behavior and the interactions between individuals as well. Yes, and that includes something that may be surprising. DNA can influence mating decisions in animals. It doesn't just influence traits like color or size, it can also influence attraction. In some species, the way an individual smells or looks or behaves is important for mating decisions, and all of these things are rooted in DNA. Because for most species, who they mate with is an important way in which the species stay separate from one another. I study how species form and what keeps them separate from one another when they occur together in nature. For example, I study these small fish from Mexico called swordtails. Males have different color patterns, different physical ornaments, and as well as different odors that females pay attention to in mating decisions. Well, in the lab, we can give females a choice. We can show them a male of their own species and a male of another species and ask her which one she prefers. Does she care about how a male looks, his color patterns, his shape? Does she care about how he smells? Does she care about how he's behaving? All of these traits have DNA at their basis. So here's where it gets interesting. When humans impact the environment, say via pollution, it can change the way the preferences of these females are expressed. They might not be able to tell the difference between males of different species. They might prefer the wrong species. This is where hybridization can occur. This matters because it determines how species evolve, and it also tells us how humans might be impacting the evolution of species. DNA isn't just a blueprint, it's also part of a system that affects behavior and attraction and ultimately the future of species, and thus the biodiversity that surrounds us.